Rangatiratanga is not going anywhere. Rangatiratanga is our opportunity to build and sustain our communities in accordance with our tikanga, and to have a genuine stake in the success of prosperity of this nation we have all inherited. One thing I want to say up front, and I'll repeat throughout today, is we are not the radicals. As our politics has become more polarised, I've become increasingly aware of how the radical label has been used to undermine the constitutional identities of iwi Māori and cast iwi corporate entities as inherently nefarious.
I want to say I heard the speakers and the callers this morning, and I thought you quite rightly challenged us and provoked us in the way that you should have, and I appreciate that. The Treaty Principles Bill, of course, is one such challenge, and National has made it clear we will not support the bill and it will not become law. It was a real privilege, a genuine privilege, to be here with you all today.
Christopher Luxon is a genocide supporter. Christopher Luxon failed under his obligations under the Genocide Convention.
This is not a win-lose game. The success of iwi is the success of our country. The growth of Māori businesses, the commitment to long-term sustainability and the development of initiatives like social investment will be central to that vision.
We are not the radicals. A nation is not a blank canvas, it's an inheritance. It's our inheritance, all New Zealanders. It's a real place, home to real people, living real lives, whose collective experiences have shaped a real and defined history. For the nation of New Zealand, that history begins with Te Tiriti o Waitangi.